All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Wherever you are watching this live session from, my warm regards and welcome to this live session on AI ethics, that is responsible AI. This program is hosted by Machine Learning you also in collaboration with the lead for Machine Learning, Abidjan. And today we have our speaker already, Armel Yara, who is going to take us on this session on responsible AI. So we have been building a lot of machine learning systems. We have been using AI systems in our lives and different ways. But how does this really affect our lives? And have we taken into consideration the ethical concerns of these systems? So in this tutorial, we are going to look into AI ethics as well as responsible AI. AI is the new trend in the world from healthcare to energy through insurance, transportation, marketing, and more. This integration requires many more processes that need to be paid attention to because the final customer is human. So most of these services we are building and most of these integrations, the final consumer is actually human. And regarding the process, AI ethics and responsible AI comes in first, and it helps to prevent harm and make better decisions. So in this session, we will learn how to use AI ethics and what are the responsible AI practices in the AI project. So trust me, and in this live session, we have a lot to cover. And I mean, thank you very much, our speaker, Amel, from Machine Learning Abidjan. Today, so
I think,
yeah, it's yeah. Come on, you wanted to say
yeah.
something?
Hello, Victor. Thank you very much. Can I start? Huh?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
wanted to read your bio.
Okay. Let's go. Let's
Yeah,
go.
Amel is a tech blogger, is a machine learning expert, and also a deep learning expert. Or you can also find him as the Day Info. And he has a master's in bio. He's currently a master's student in bioinformation in bioinformatics. He's currently a bioinformatics student at UDM University and also a certified TensorFlow developer. So, Amel Yara, thank you very much for finding time to join the session today. And at
You're
this moment,
welcome.
I will hand over to you to take on with the session.
Ah, thank you to introduce me. Hello everyone. Welcome to the session, and thank you to Machine Learning QU for invitation to speak about. You remove me. Okay. Um, to talk about responsible AI and AI ethics. My name's Armel Yara and machine learning, Abidjan lead, and data scientist at VD Info. Um, what's about AI ethics? AI ethics is there some process to allow people or maybe machine learning teams to identify the harms to decide if you can breed or not with AI system. Yeah, it's very important before to breed and AI system to know um, what's the goal of the AI you want to build. Yeah, that is very important. Because sometimes you don't need to breed. I think AI system to address some problem you are facing. So maybe traditional method is correct. Is maybe you need what is about okay. You need to address some problem. So every time AI system is not okay. Is not I can say is not appropriate to use it. But when you decide to build a AI system and we have a problem to know if the system me okay. One thing you should know about behavior ethic is about human-centered design. When you build your system, you need to know why you want to build a system. Design system to serve people needs. First of all, is very important. Um, People, human, should be in the center of your design or your AI system design. That is a very important. For people who follow the course on Kaggle, you know about human-centered design. Secondly, you need to identify bias. Use a ethical AI or ethic of AI in when you build something machine learning system or machine AI system. Identify bias is a model that identify a toxic text. Apply the process of maybe the things about AI ethic help you to to identify bias and build a system, a model that identify a toxic text. That is that is a very important for the people who want to build AI system. What is about responsible AI? Best way responsible AI apply the practice of responsible AI. This is the best way to build a fairness, interpretability, privacy, and safety in AI system. When you talk about AI system, you need to focus on machine learning model because that is the main subject, the main topic in machine learning. When so sometimes when you talk about AI system, you talk about machine learning models. You know, fairness AI. What is about fairness? Fairness AI. So when you talk about fairness, um, you talk about building AI system. We can address the goals. Yeah, you know, and you can identify the main goals for what you want to build a AI system, and at the end of the building of the conception of a AI system, the machine learning model should be capable to address the goals, not to use for another goals. Because sometimes when you use the AI system for another goals, instead the goals for what is breeding it can brings harms in the results on the performance of a model. So it's very important to use it. AI system, according Google AI system are enabling new experience and ability for people um, around the globe. Beyond recommending apps, short videos, and TV show, AI assistant have been used for more critical tasks such as predicting the presence or severity of medical condition, matching people to jobs and partner, or identify if a person is crossing the street. Such computerized assistive or decision-making system have a potential to be more fair or more inclusive at the broader, the scales, the historic design making process based on hardcore any bias in AI physical quality, equal opportunity, equal accuracy. That is the some techniques to which we can question, understand, and trust a AI. Sometimes when you have interpretability, automated prediction decision making can improve life in a number of ways, from recommending music you might like to monitoring a patient vital signs consistently. This is why interpretability or the level of which you can question, understand, and trust in an AI system. Yeah. Um, Also, interpretability also reflects our domain knowledge, and societal values provide scientists and engineers with better, yeah, means of designing, developing, and debugging models and help to ensure that AI systems are working as intended. Some techniques to build a machine learning can be used interpretabilities. That is a pushing interpretability before, during, and after building a AI system. Interpretability has a core of user experience. You know that design the model to be interpretable and choice of a matrix is very important. Sometimes uh, when you build a AI system, we we forgot these techniques, or we forgot these practices to make our model to be um, to reach out the level of you can question, understand, and trust an AI system. Privacy. What about privacy in responsible AI? That is an AI system which the model can be quite sensitive. Well, what does that mean about that? When you say about privacy, you can say ML model um, learn from training data and make prediction on input data. Sometimes the training data, input data, or both can be quite sensitive. Also, there may be enormous benefits to breed a models that operate sorry that operate on sensitive data like cancer detector training and responsibility source data set of biopsy image sometimes, and deployed on individual patient scans. It's essential to consider the potential privacy implication in using sensitive data. This includes not only respecting the legal and regulatory requirements, but also considering social norms and typical individual expectation. Some practice to make or maybe um, to have a AI system privacy, that is a collect and handle data responsibly, lever- leverage on device processing when appropriately safeguard for the privacy of available models. For that, you can see in the Kaggle course about human century design, you have on the I think on the sixth point, breed a safety measure. They say that safety measure protects user against harm. They seek to limit unintended behavior and accident by ensuring that a system will be deliver high quality outcomes. This can only be this can only be achieved from through extensive and continuous evaluation and testing. Design process around your area system to continuously monitor performance, delivery of intent benefits, reduction of harms, air fairness metrics, and any change in how people are actually using it. The kind of safety measures your system needs depend on its purpose, on the type of arms you can cause. Start by reviewing the list of safety measures built into similar non-area project or service. Then review your area analysis of potential harm of you using AI system using AI in your system. That is a very important to do that when you build your your privacy on the AI system. Safety and security. In terms ensuring AI system behave intents regardless of our attack try to interfere in the AI system. It is essential to consider and address the safety and the of an AI system before is widely rely upon safety critical application. Um, there are many challenges unique to the safety and security of AI system. For example, it's hard it is hard to predict all scenario ahead the time when machine learning is applied to problem that's difficult for human to solve, and especially so in the area of generative AI. It's also hard to build systems that provide both necessary proactive restriction for safety as well as the necessary flexibility to generate creative solution of or adapt to unusual input. So as AI technology evolves, so with security issues, as attacker will so refine new means to attack, and the new solution will need to develop in tandem. Below, um, our our current recommendation from what you have learned so far. Many practices for safety and security say that is identify potential threats to the system, develop an approach to combat threats, keep learning to stay ahead the curve. It's about that you need to is in French they say that that is a technology the technology rise technology surveillance. That stay up to date on the latest research advanced research into adversarial machine learning continue to offer improved performance for defense. On some defense technique are beginning or to offer proof of guarantee beyond interfering with input. Is possible to make the holder vulnerability in the machine learning applied supply chain. While to our knowledge, such an attack has not yet occurred, it's important to consider the possibility and be prepared. It is very important for people. So, um, what is the main things I want to I want you want to keep before the end of a session. Um, Before you want to build AI system, you need to use some process to apply AI ethic AI process techniques um, in your process um, of breeding of AI system. After that, during building your AI system, you need to apply responsible AI techniques. You need to practice them to make sure the AI system uh, for you want to build for people address specifically the goal for what is building, for what is built. Yes, it's very important because actually you have a war around machine learning AI, and big tech company um, have a lot of money to invest in the breed to get innovation or maybe to control the AI in the many space or maybe to reach the top of AI company. So it's very important to apply ethic AI in during before to build a AI system and during um, and after building a AI system, you need to use responsible AI some practice. That is a very important for people because at the end of a chain of production of the chain of AI building, you have a human, you have a people, and people are very complicated. You have people across the world with different culture, different habits, different idea, different folks. So it's very important to have a AI system to address specifically um, or maybe to have in the process or maybe the model machine learning can be aware about that, about people tradition, people culture, people habits, people food, and that is a very important to big company or maybe for developers or AI team in the company to use AI, ethic AI and responsible AI to build the system. So you can find some resources on Google Responsibility AI Practice online, or maybe Kaggle on the last course lesson of the machine learning challenge is about AI ethic, and that is an introduction of AI ethic. So that is my presentation. If you have some question or maybe you have um, some point to add to my presentation, you can reach me on for my mail, armelyara@vdinfo.com, or maybe on LinkedIn, Armelyara on X, former Twitter, Armelyara. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to attending my session, and I expect you learn and to practice AI, ethic AI, and responsible AI in your company and maybe your enterprise on your team on our AI team. Thank you very much.
Oh, right. Thank you very much. Armel Yara for the session today on AI ethics and responsible AI. We have really talked about talking about AI safety, responsible AI, and
Mm.
ensuring privacy of these systems. So, if you are watching us on YouTube, do well to drop your question in the chat section below,
Yeah.
or send an email to TensorFlow community at gmail.com, and your question will be responded to. If you want to join our community, the links are in the comment section below or check the description. We
Yeah.
hope to see you soon, and thank you, our speaker today, and see you now for
Thank
that
you.
session.
Thank you very much, Vito. Thank you for the invitation. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.